There are some big changes we might see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but there is one big downgrade that Samsung is going to do with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and chances are there we might see a surprise in the price of Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per recent reports from South Korea, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 12-megapixel selfie shooter, a big downgrade from this year's Galaxy S22 Ultra, where we see the 40-megapixel selfie shooter on the S22 Ultra. And one interesting thing, Samsung is going to put this new 12-megapixel sensor in base model S23 and S23 Plus, which means S23 Ultra will going to share the same selfie shooter across S23 generation. Although pixel counts are not always accounts for better quality, image processing also plays a major role in better photos, as we're getting the same 12-megapixel selfie shooter across S23 series, but Samsung will differentiate Galaxy S23 Ultra from other two models of Galaxy S23, where the back camera of Galaxy S23 is getting a major update. Yes, a 200-megapixel main sensor, and other three lenses will be 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel telephoto shooter with a 3x zoom, and 10-megapixel telephoto shooter with 10x zoom. Apart from getting S23 Ultra with 200-megapixel camera, we're also going to get a better video quality options, mainly 8K video recording with 30fps and 4K video at 120fps, so you now can make really cool slow-mo with the 4K resolution. Let me know in the comments, did you guys prefer Galaxy S23 Ultra with 12-megapixel selfie shooter or 40-megapixel selfie shooter? The pricing of the Galaxy S23 Ultra even confused Samsung. Yes, according to reports, Samsung cannot decide the price for Galaxy S23 Ultra. Mainly during inflation, Galaxy S23 price should be higher than its previous generation, if not in the US, surely in European region. And if we see any price increase, you guys can expect at least $50 price jump on each model of Galaxy S23 series. With Galaxy S23 will be standing at $799, S23 Plus will be at $899 and $1,250 for S23 Ultra. And just because Samsung didn't make a choice, this delayed the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per previous reports, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be coming out in the first week of Feb, but now as they cannot decide the price, then we might see Galaxy S23 Ultra somewhere around mid-Feb or even late Feb, depending on how long it will take for Samsung to decide should they increase the price or go with the same price as Galaxy S22 Ultra. There could be one big reason for Samsung to increase the price on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is that we are now seeing the Galaxy S23 Ultra with only 3 storage options, 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1TB version. So no 128 gigs version available. Now the base model is 256 gigs version, which is another big thing itself. Let's see how Samsung will justify the price increase with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see the real first look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.